What's going on, guys? Fully here from Custom Offsets with a quick update for you on the giveaway. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm not sure where you've been. We've been posting it all over the place, but we're giving away a free set of wheels and a free set of tires. It's going to be mounted and balanced, so we can ship them right to you and you can just install them. So we got TIS hooking up with any size, any finish wheels, and Atturo is going to give you the tires to match. If you guys want to get entered to win, the easiest way to do so is come out to the website at customoffsets.com/giveaway. That's where you'll find this hoodie. Grab that. That gets you automatically entered to win. Also, at the end of this, we're making a huge donation to the Susan G. Komen Foundation because, as you can see by the hoodie and by the design, we got Custom Offsets logo on the front, TIS logo worked in there, got the breast cancer ribbon, the flag on the sleeve, and then the flag on the back as well with the pink stripe in there. So like I said, we're making that donation at the end of this to the Susan G. Komen Foundation. They're out there advocating for women. They're doing breast cancer research. They're working with treatment and just helping people overall get through the terrible disease and the cancer that is out there. Susan G. Komen is committed to saving lives and creating a world without breast cancer. And this contest ends November 11th, that morning at 11 a.m. actually. And then that night at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, we're gonna be going live on Facebook and YouTube to announce the winner. So if you wanna get entered to win, you gotta do it now. There's not a ton of time left, and this is a limited production item, which means once they're gone, they're gone. We're not reordering anymore. We only got like 1,000 of these things. We've already sold over 500 of them. So if you want one, grab one, customoffsets.com/giveaway. That'll get you automatically entered to win. So today I'm actually driving this 2019 Ram 1500 at Bergstrom on Victory Lane's Drive for a Cure event. So basically, they are also raising money for breast cancer awareness and breast cancer treatment and all that same stuff that we're doing. So for every mile we drive, they donate money. So we're out here racking up some miles on their vehicles.